Kasi June.
Okay. Hindi kami nga na ki-test, Rayala. Treasurer no was microfinance. And kaayon client so OMF. Sising nga tabi yung ngaran mo? Lolita Vargas. Middle initial? Relucio from Rizal, Barangay Rizal. Okay. Si test nga na ni si Alice. It looks like, was it approved? Les?
Yes.
Okay. So it is approved for how much?
She is loaning in the amount of 5,000.
5,000.
So we approve only in the amount of 3,500.
3.5.
Yeah.
3.5 is approved.
Okay.
Okay. So it is confirmed. Today is September 16. Was microfinance in Oasis in progress. Salamat po.